Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a fascinating story of innovation, speed and disruption. The journey of Blinkit, India's fastest growing instant grocery delivery platform. From its early days as Grofers to becoming a unicorn in the booming quick commerce space, Blinkit is changing the way millions of Indians shop every day. Blinkit's story starts back in 2013 when two young entrepreneurs named Albinder Dhingsa and Saurav Kumar founded Grofers. The vision was simple but powerful: to make grocery shopping easier by delivering essentials right to your doorstep. At that time, India was still warming up to online grocery shopping. Grofers focused on scheduled delivery, customer placed orders and received them the same day or the next day. This model was revolutionary because it saved time and the energy of the people or consumers who spent in crowded markets. However, this model had still its limits. Many customers still preferred to shop in person or plan ahead for deliveries. And competition started heating up from other competitors like Big Basket and local Kirana stores who were going online. As India's urban population grew and digital adoption skyrocketed, especially among millennials and Gen Z consumers' expectations shifted dramatically. People wanted space and convenience. Waiting hours or a day for groceries was not enough anymore. The pandemic further accelerated this demand for quick delivery as more people stayed home and shopped online. Answer: instant delivery. Groceries and essentials delivered in under 10 minutes. In 2021, Grofers made a bold move. They rebranded as Blinkit, a name that reflects speed and agility, and completely changed their business models. They invested heavily in creating a network of dark stores, small local warehouse stocked with popular grocery and household products. These stores were strategically placed near dense residential areas to enable ultra-fast deliveries. Using AI-powered analytics, Blinkit predicted demand for each store, optimizing inventory so customers almost every time or always found what they wanted in stock. Delivery logistics were streamlined with optimized routes and a large fleet of delivery partners ready to dash to customers' homes. This was not just a change in name, it was a complete reinvention. Blinkit went from scheduled delivery to hyper-local instant delivery, promising groceries in less than 10 minutes. An ambitious promise in India's complex urban environments. As of 2024, Blinkit was operating in more than 25 cities, including Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. Today, its network runs across 1,000 dark stores across the cities of India. The platform serves around 5 lakh orders daily, with an average delivery time between 8 to 10 minutes. Truly impressive considering India's traffic and infrastructure challenges. The Blinkit app boasts over 5 million monthly active users and has attracted millions of loyal customers who rely on it for daily essentials. The company's valuation soared past 1 million US dollar mark, making it one of the India's few instant commerce or quick commerce unicorns. This rapid growth was further accelerated by Zomato acquiring a controlling stake in 2022, integrating Blinkit with its massive food delivery ecosystem and logistics capabilities. Now we will do the in-depth SWOT analysis of Blinkit. When we think of strengths, Blinkit has strong brand presence and recognition after rebranding to Blinkit. Second is robust network of dark stores enabling rapid delivery. Third one is strategic backing by Zomato, providing resources and logistics know-how. The fourth one is use of artificial intelligence and data analytics to ensure product availability and reduce delivery time. The fifth one is user-friendly app. It's a user-friendly app interface with personalized recommendations as a use of machine learning. Weaknesses are basically it has high operational and delivery costs due to instant delivery. Second is Blinkit currently focus mostly on urban tech-savvy customers. This is resulting into limited penetration in smaller towns. Third one is it has still low profit margins with heavy discounts to attract customers. Actually, it's in introduction phase. It's a question mark business still. The last weakness is challenges in maintaining constant delivery quality, especially during peak hours. Now we'll look into the opportunities. Blinkit has huge potential to expand instant delivery to tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well, as internet penetration is increasing very rapidly. Second is diversifying product range, including ready-to-eat meals, FMCG and non-grocery essentials. Third one opportunity of Blinkit is its collaborations with local Kirana stores and FMCG brands to widen inventory. The last one is it has the growing consumer preference for convenience and contactless shopping. Consumers are very much willing or taking Blinkit as a good move towards contactless shopping. The threats are the Blinkit has fierce competition from Swiggy, Instamart, Amazon Fresh, Dunzo and local quick commerce startups. Many startups are getting into this business, or that is quick commerce. Supply chain disruptions and inflation impacting product prices and availability. The third one threat is regulatory challenges concerning delivery timings and local laws. The fourth one is definitely price sensitive customers switching platforms very frequently based on the discounts and offers. So brand loyalty is a question mark here. This way we saw that Blinkit's pivot from scheduled to instant delivery was risky but aligned perfectly with shifting customer needs. Innovation is not just about new products but about reimagining entire business model. Advanced AI and demand forecasting allow Blinkit to optimize stock, reduce delivery time and enhance customer satisfaction. Technology is a core driver of success for Blinkit basically. Zomato's acquisition gave Blinkit the logistics or logical backbone and user base to scale quickly, showing how smart partnerships can unlock growth. Instant delivery models face challenges around high cost and environmental impact. Efficient operations and sustainable practices will be key for long-term success for Blinkit. And lastly, a smooth app experience fast delivery and good customer service build loyalty in a highly competitive market. The challenges for Blinkit are definitely there. Despite its massive growth, Blinkit is facing ongoing challenges. Scaling instant delivery to smaller cities with less developed infrastructure remains a tough issue. Maintaining profitability while keeping delivery time low and offering discount is a delicate balance. Competition from deep pocket rivals is instant, requiring constant innovation. And the fourth challenge is sustainability concerns require new strategies for packaging and eco-friendly delivery. However, with India's digital economy booming and consumer demand for convenience growing, Blinkit's future looks promising if it continues to innovate and adapt. Blinkit's story is a lesson in how technology, speed, and strategic vision can disrupt traditional industries. Whether you are an entrepreneur, marketer, or just curious about the future of retail, Blinkit shows the power of listening to customer needs and moving fast to meet the customer's changing demand. Have you used Blinkit or any instant services? Share your experience in the comments. We love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more business insights and case studies. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.